Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at artifact dependencies and references. So this is a project, this is the Getting Started project that we've been working on for this Hello Fusion video series, and we have lots of integrations, services, connections, data objects, etc. Those are artifacts. And we know that we could use some artifacts in other artifacts. And trying to understand the relationship between them is quite important, so you don't have to go into an artifact just to know what it references or what depends on it. So let's look at a simple example, connections. So if I click on the three dots here and I go to dependencies, I can see that these artifacts, so the integration Hello AWS S3 and the integration Hello XML to CSV to S3 depend on this connector, the AWS S3 connector. And if you look on the screen, you can see the little hint text that talks about dependencies. And if I look at references, I'll see that there's no references. So this connector, the AWS S3 connector, does not refer to any other artifacts inside, because connectors typically don't do that. On the other hand, as we just saw, if I look at the Hello AWS S3 integration, it's clearly going to have a reference. It's going to reference the connector AWS S3 in this project. But it's not going to have any dependencies because you can't put an integration inside of another artifact. But again, if I come back here to references, you can see on the screen the description of references. But again, it's telling you what other artifacts this artifact requires. And it can be either in this project or another project. So hopefully in this video, you now understand artifact dependencies and references and can see the relationship between artifacts in your project and in this project relative to other projects. Thank you.